What's up, brothers? So today we're gonna be talking about two exercises that made me the most muscle at home. You can do a million push-ups and sit-ups, but if you want to actually build muscle at home, you need to start treating your body like a serious athlete. And what that means? Progressive overload. Most people fail at home workouts because they never make them harder. They just do the same weak reps over and over expecting something to change. So today I'm gonna give you the only two exercises you need to get big at home. If you do them right, of course. And no, it's not some TikTok secret move. It's the basics, it's weighted dips and weighted pull-ups. Let's talk about why these are the kings of home muscle building. So the first exercise we have weighted dips. This is the ultimate upper body mass builder. Dips are not just a tricep exercise. If you do them properly, they're a full body growth machine for your shoulders, chest, triceps, and even core. But here's the thing, if you're still doing bodyweight dips and cranking out 20 plus reps, you're basically just doing cardio at this point. So you need to start adding weight, which means that you grab a backpack, throw in some books, or strap on a dip belt if you have one. So the goal is low reps with high intensity. What we're talking is 5 to 8 reps with extra weight, not just doing endless bodyweight sets. And what's the best part about this is that weighted dips will give you that thick, dense look to your chest and arms. Because like if you ever see those gymnasts with an insane upper body development, of course they're doing dips but with a ton of resistance. Okay, so the second exercise we have weighted pull-ups, which are the back and biceps cheat code in my opinion. Most guys have weak underdeveloped backs because they're stuck doing half rep pull-ups, or even worse, they're doing just lat pull downs. You can forget that. If you want real back and biceps growth, start treating pull-ups like a strength movement. Bodyweight pull-ups are cool, but they won't get you jacked. Once you can do more than 12 reps, around something like that, that's when it's time to level up, which means strapping on weight and getting to work, basically. And what's the goal? Again, 5 to 8 clean reps with added resistance, slow and controlled, full range of motion, no half wrapping. And this will thicken your back, blow up your biceps, and even make your forearms look insane. And let me tell you something, when you start doing weighted pull-ups with 20, 30 or even 40 kilograms strapped to you, your body is forced to grow. It basically has no other choice. So why would I say these two exercises work better than anything else? Because people like to overcomplicate training. They'll tell you that you need 20 different exercises, fancy gym machines, and a 5-day scientifically optimized split. But what's the real truth? Your body only understands tension and overload. It's as simple as that. Weighted dips means upper body mass. Weighted pull-ups mean back and arm dominance. And if you master these, progressively overload, you will build more muscle at home than 99% of the guys wasting time in the gym. It's as simple as that. So if you're still stuck doing the same bodyweight reps without adding resistance, you're basically leaving gains on the table. So you should really start adding weight to your dips and pull-ups. You should also track your progress so you get stronger over time. And trust me, if you do this consistently, you won't just get bigger, you will start looking like you actually train. And that's basically it.